There's a famous story of Jim Carrey that perfectly illustrates the power of manifestation. In the early 1990s, before Jim Carrey became a household name, he was a struggling actor in Hollywood. Despite having very little money and facing constant rejection, Carrey believed deeply in the power of positive thinking and manifestation. He used visualization techniques to imagine the success he wanted to achieve. One day, Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. He kept the check in his wallet, looking at it often as a reminder of what he was working toward. Every day, he would drive up to the Hollywood Hills, sit in his car, and visualize himself as a successful actor, with producers and directors eager to cast him in movies. Over the next few years, Carrey continued to pursue his dream, landing a few minor roles. But he never lost faith in his vision, and he kept taking inspired action. By 1994, he was cast in a series of blockbuster films, including Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, The Mask, and Dumb and Dumber. These movies catapulted him to stardom. Amazingly, by Thanksgiving 1995, Jim Carrey had earned exactly $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber, fulfilling the manifestation he had imagined years earlier. This incredible story is a testament to the power of setting a clear intention, believing in your goal, and taking consistent action.